Most JavaScript developers hard-code their dependencies and never realize they're making code untestable. The principle is simple. Don't create dependencies inside a functional class. Pass them in as parameters. Compare these two approaches. Without injection, your user service calls new database internally. You're stuck with that implementation. With injection, the database comes from outside, passed as an argument. Now you control what gets used. Wire your app with a factory function or lightweight container. You register a factory for each service. When resolved, the container calls the right factory and passes in its dependencies. For lifecycle control, cache the instance for singletons or create a fresh one each time for transients. No framework needed. 2 key benefits. First, testability. When dependencies are injected, swap in a mock during unit tests. No real database, no side effects. Second, loose coupling. Your modules don't care where their dependencies come from, so you can swap implementations without touching the consumer. Here's the full pattern. User service takes a database adapter as a constructor parameter. In production, you instantiate it with a real Postgres adapter. In tests, you pass a mock object with the same interface. The service never changes. Only what you inject does. Inject dependencies as parameters, wire them with a factory or container, and your JavaScript becomes testable and modular without any framework. Follow for more. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.